Name's Mav, and we're here to discuss about taxation of cryptocurrency earnings. Currency earnings get taxed or considered as capital gains tax.
If you're an individual, taking aside businesses buying and selling products, accepting Bitcoin as sales income, it'll be taxed when you convert it to fiat dollars.
Okay. And what if you were not a business? Where do you go from there?
The same again, if you're not a business, it'll be, as of today, rules could change tomorrow, it'll be taxed when you convert it to fiat dollars.
Okay, that's good to know. We've seen a lot of questions and requests about mining, airdrops and arbitrage profits. How will these earnings be taxed?
If you're mining, ATO treats your cryptocurrency as trading stock. As of today, there's two ways you can treat your trading stock. Right? You can value it at cost. So say, for example, it may have cost me $10,000 in electricity to make X amount of Bitcoin. At the end of the year, it still cost me $10,000 in electricity to make X amount of Bitcoin, so I've made $0 until I convert it to fiat currency. There's another way you can treat your trading stock at market rate. So for example, if I value my stock at market rate, today it's worth $10,000, next year it's worth $30,000, technically I've made a $20,000 gain, but I've spoken directly with ATO and they've said it's acceptable for us to value our stock at cost.
What happens if the account gets hacked and all the people run away with the money? Can you claim it as a loss?
If I was hacked, let's say $100,000 worth, and I cash out, I can only cash out $100,000. I've already spent $30,000, so I'm only paying tax on 70. So technically, I'm not paying tax on that hack anyway.
Now, as an individual trading cryptocurrency, how do you know whether you'll be classed as a business or taxed on capital gains?
Generally speaking, there's a few different indicators ATO uses to decide whether you're going to be taxed as a capital gain or as a business. So number one is the frequency of your activities. If you're trading 30 times a day, more likely you're a business. If you're trading once or twice a month, more likely you're holding the Bitcoin and you're going to be taxed as a capital gain. They also take how much money you've invested into cryptocurrency. They also take it into consideration how you're running your business. So it's a very business nature, there's a lot of procedures, there's a lot of systems into place, and it looks as if you are running a business. More likely you'll be treated as a business rather than a capital gain or loss.
So there's no difference in terms of how much money you gain, it's more like how you treat it and your intentions, you'd say?
More your intentions and how much you put in. Now, as an individual, it may not be my intention to trade and make money. I might have made $1 billion, but technically capital gain.